Welcome to 14713 Algretus Drive in Centreville in the coveted Country Club Manor neighborhood. This split foyer boasts over 2,232 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a screened-in porch, and a surprise in the back. The heart of the home, this kitchen has it all. So much counter space, beautiful cabinets. The refrigerator is actually tucked away so you don't even see it depending on what angle you're looking in. Built-in microwave. You actually have a window that goes out into the beautiful screened-in porch. A step down from your dining room is the screened-in porch. I love a screened-in porch. The owners have spent so many days and nights out here enjoying and entertaining. You have a ceiling fan, also vaulted ceilings and beautiful beams. Here is the surprise, a fully wired shed. Please reach out to the Nellis Group for your own private tour today.